What's going on, guys? It's Jordy Builds. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're back working on the RZR MX400. We got a couple parts to install, including a headlight, front number plate, and handlebar risers. So I'm super excited for those parts, but before we get into that, I need you guys' opinion. I'm not sure what color frame to go with on the MX400. I really like the white and black theme so far, but I'm thinking about throwing some red in. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that. Also, we're going to be getting a 48 volt motor and 48 volt overvolt kit in this bike very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. And we're also going to be starting to build the RZR Beliza and picking back up on the RZR MX500, especially since it's warm outside. So if there's anything you want to see particularly with those bikes, make sure you also let me know down in the comments. Beside that, let's go over the parts we're going to use and get started on the install. So we got the handlebar risers, the wireless rechargeable headlight, and the front number plate with zip ties. Before we go ahead and install the handlebar risers, I'm going to get a good before shot of me sitting on the bike. I'm about 5'10" and my knees are pretty close to the handlebars, so we'll do a good comparison with these, and then we should be able to get our headlight on, and then finally we will mount the front number plate. So let's get started. So this should be a decent demonstration. Like I said, I am 5'10". If I put my foot here, you can see not too much room, but I'm able to manage. You know, I can still turn and manage to not hit my knees and my legs, but it's not super comfortable. So if the handlebars were a little bit higher, that would definitely be nice, and then it would be easier to mount our headlight as well. So let's go ahead and get those installed and see how they work out. This should be a relatively easy install. You're just going to need a 6mm Allen to take out the stock bolts. These stock bolts have lock washers on them, so don't lose those. And then since the nuts on here are welded to the actual forks, we may not use the nuts that these come with, but we may also throw them on as extra security once it's all said and done. So we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and pull the stock bolts out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two bolts out and then put the lock washers from the stock bolts on them. There's one, here is two. Let's go ahead and get the first one installed here. All right, nice. Center up our bars. Those look really good. This is going to make a big difference. This is looking really good already. I think that this is going to make riding a lot more comfortable. Let's see if we can get our headlight mounted. By the way, guys, all these parts are from Amazon, so I will leave the links down below in the description so you can check there for those. This is the mount for the headlight. This little piece here that has a knob on it where you can tighten it slides right into the bottom of this groove on the headlight here. So we're going to put this on the handlebar, this around this, and then we will use this screw to tighten it up. So we're going to put our headlight mounts right in the inside of the handlebar risers. So first things first, we're going to put the plastic piece on and then wrap the metal clamp around it. It kind of sits in a groove. Then we can get our screw here started from the bottom to tighten it up, something like that. And we'll do the same thing for this other mount, and then we'll see if the headlight will slide on. Before we tighten it up all the way, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get our headlight slid on here. Should slide over both. Nice. So that's about centered there, and we'll want it tilted down a hair. So yeah, that's going to fit great. Go ahead and tighten up all the screws, and we'll be in business. I was able to tuck the brake wire behind the headlight, so it kind of helps keep that secure and in place, so it looks really nice. I think that this headlight's going to help out a lot for night riding, and it also looks pretty cool. It was actually pretty easy to mount, so we got our high beam there, low beam, and then we can turn it off just by holding it down. That's going to work great, but other than that, let's see if we can get our number plate on. Before we mount this to the bike, I want to throw a couple stickers on it, so let's go ahead and get these bad boys on here. So we're going to do something like that, and then let's grab this Matrix sticker. Shout out to Matt at Matrix for the brake rotor adapters and the motor plate adapter that we're actually going to be using in the next video. So I felt it was appropriate that we throw this sticker on here as well. Check that out. This looks really good. Let's go ahead and get it on the bike. So we got all the zip ties ran here. We're just going to hold it up to the bike and start to tighten down the zip ties one at a time until it's about centered and go from there. I think it's going to look really good. This is looking really good. Okay, all the zip ties are tight and I think we're centered. This looks awesome. Let's go ahead and snip our zip ties and take the bike back out, give it a good look over, and see what the difference is in the handlebar risers. So I'm sure you guys can already tell a big difference, but this is so much more comfortable to ride. All this room here, even when you turn, this makes a world of a difference. Definitely, I wish I would have done this a lot sooner, to be honest. So I think all three of these mods definitely made a world of difference. Handlebar risers make it a lot more comfortable to ride. Headlight, you can ride at night, and a front number plate helps hide the wires and the mess behind here. So I think this looks really good. I'm extremely happy with this actually. Let me know what color you guys think I should paint the forks in the frame. I think that's going to tie the bike together even more. So let me know down in the comments. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.